And welcome back, everybody. MRP Racing, back at it again. Today we're actually not working on the center project or anything like that, but we got this SI here. Some of you know, what is it, not FA5, is it FG2 or something like that? The chassis code for these, something like that? FA5, right? FA5, yeah, we got an FA5 here, about to do some tranny work. Trying to figure out what's going on. I think the throwout bearing came off of the clutch fork, so I'm gonna check that out, and hopefully that's just it. Hopefully it didn't do too much damage, and we're gonna get to work on that. But before we get into that, we are here at Liam Graphics. Liam Graphics out here in Yonkers, New York, and I'm gonna show you a little bit what they do. It's Liam Graphics, Yonkers, New York, 370Z. It has a marble wrap. Looks good, yo. Looks good, no air bubbles, nothing like that. Once again, that's Liam Graphics, Yonkers, New York. Come get your car wrapped and all that. I'm gonna get into this. I'm gonna start taking all this stuff apart. So yeah, I'll probably put it on a fast loop or something. Yeah, until we get to the nitty gritty, I'll just be doing my thing. You guys don't want to know, it's a DeWalt, nothing fancy, not the Max or anything like that. This is a regular DeWalt 20V Max. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off these axles. Need to find my 36. Already look at the tools. I hate looking at the tools. Alright guys, so here's an update on the SI right here. Just got the subframe dropped out. This is about an hour and a half later. You know, I'm just taking it easy. So now, got the space and everything. These stupid SIs. The steering column is bolted to subframe, so that's a PETA. But thank goodness for power tools, because it made it a lot easier. So yeah, now I'm about to get to loosening these transmission bolts. Front and rear mount is already loosened. Tranny mount and then the post mount over there is all that's holding it up. And yeah, it's going pretty smooth, fairly smooth, honestly. So let's get this transmission dropped and let's find out what that problem was, man. Let's go. Let me see. Open it. That's what your throwout bearing shouldn't do. Heat. But what does the pressure plate look like?
Pressure plate looks good.
Shaft looks good. Pressure plate, a little bit of markings on it, but hopefully nothing too bad. All right, let's go. Oh man, guys, it's going on 7 o'clock. I'm just now finishing up. What a day. So that throwout bearing was complete shit. I don't know what it is, but if I'm not mistaken, we replaced that throwout bearing when we changed the clutch, and we did a whole clutch kit. It was a competition stage 3, and I've never seen a throwout bearing do that before. Mind you, this is less than a year of less than a year in service. Check this out. Less than a year in service, guys. What the hell is that? Have any of you guys ever had this happen to you? Throwout bearing completely split apart. I mean, pressure plate seemed okay. Hopefully, I'm waiting on the guys to come back with some trans fluid, and we're gonna throw it back up and see. But stay tuned.